Hello YouTube, just checking the sealant, and I'm not sure if you can see that there are fine cracks around here. I'll just place the light better. So around this bracket, small hairline crack, and also I'm not sure if there's anyone here. Yeah, you can definitely see one here. Oh, that's quite a bit frustrating because then I need to seal them once again with some other sealant, because this one is probably not that okay, and this wasn't. It's totally wrong. So I want to be. No, I want to use this one instead. It's more flexible and it's UV resistant to the sunlight. So I will use that around on the outside of the car. Yeah. Hi.